From Cheap Homesteading. I'm in the shop today and we're squaring up some of the edges on my rough cut lumber. The lumber that we cut with my Alaskan Sawmill. You wouldn't think it would take that long to do, but it ate up most of my morning and we're coming into the afternoon, so I'll show you how much I got done. I got all this wood squared up. There's some good sized lumber in that one, and I squared up the rest of this. I didn't want to take it right down to the edge because I'd rather have a little bit of live edge, and I can put it towards the inside than narrow the boards up too much. And this is all the waste. I got 2 more good sized boards to cut up and I'll show you how I do it. I'm not too concerned about getting rid of all the live edge because I'm going to put one to the ground anyway, so it doesn't matter. So I kind of mark it as close to the edge as I can, but get pretty much a full board. Is use my table saw and I just eye it, cutting the first cut. Make sure you wear safety glasses and masks. Cedar dust is really bad to get in your lungs. So let's see how wide this board we can cut it at. Go to the narrow end. Shows almost 8, but it's definitely an 8 here. So I'm gonna cut this at an 8-inch. 8-inch. Wow, you don't want to breathe in cedar dust. There's some wood that's really toxic, and cedar is definitely not good for you. Look at that board. There's nothing wrong with it. That is a full 8-inch rough cut piece of lumber. Just a little bit at the end, but that is perfect. I think I have enough here to make 2 whole gardens. Between what I have here and what I have here, I should be able to do it. The price of lumber is expensive, but it is super labor intensive. By the time the person cuts it down, mills it, hauls it to the store, and you buy it, it has passed through many hands. So I'll never complain about the price of lumber, but if you can save it by milling your own, it's definitely the way to go. The raised beds are absolutely going to look great when it's all done. So I'm going to clean up here, and that's about enough for today, and you guys have a good one.